Get the printer code for a touchscreen HP printer by printing a Web Services information sheet. On the printer control panel, touch the ePrint icon or press the ePrint button. Depending on your printer, you might have to navigate to Web Services Setup, Network Setup, or Wireless Settings to open the Web Services menu. Follow the prompts to set up or enable web services, and an information sheet prints. If prompted on the printer control panel, update the printer firmware. If Web Services is already enabled but you don't have your printer code, touch Print, Print Info, or Print Info Page to print a new information sheet. The printer code is valid for 48 hours from the time it prints. If it has been longer than 48 hours, print a new information sheet. With the printer code, log into your HP Connected account and add your printer.